In this quick video, I'll be showing you how we can disable the system of vibration on your Samsung S25. And to get started, we're just going to open up our settings and navigate to Sound and Vibration, right over here. And then you want to select Vibrate Intensity. And you can choose for each one of these things how intense the vibration is. But we also have the system vibration right here. And here you can choose which action gets the vibration from the device. So if you want to, you can turn all of those off. And you can also change right here the top intensity of it. Now, by default, it's going to be about halfway. So if you want to make it maybe even stronger, you can do that right here. But if you want to make it weaker, you can turn it down or turn it off altogether. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit that like and subscribe button as I am trying to grow this channel. But nonetheless, thank you for watching and have a great rest of the day.